into our lives through she may no longer be with us. Her kindness, laughter, and spirit will continue to live in each and every single one of us. Thank you once again for joining us tonight in celebrating Emma's life. May God bless us all, and may Emma's soul rest in eternal peace. Ladies and gentlemen, good night and happy, safe trip. Thank you so much. And to continue to hear a message of comfort on behalf of Sparkle to be delivered by Mr. Lapa.
Good evening, everyone. Just a quick story after all those.
Most of all, and they would describe her as someone full of kindness, laughter, and grace. And tonight, we gathered not only to grieve her loss, but to remember her love, her strength, and the joy that she shared with each and every single one of us. To begin our program, our remembrance, let's take a moment to look back at Emma's most cherished memories. Moments that reflect the warmth and positivity that she brought to the lives of those around her. Here's a short ADP tribute prepared by, of course, her Sparkle family. Good evening, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind everyone that we will have a short program begin in about 3 minutes. Thank you so much.